Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy on Thinkorswim. First, you need to ensure your account is funded. You can easily deposit money through several methods, like linking a bank account for electronic transfers or sending a wire. Make sure you have enough capital to cover your desired purchases, plus any associated fees. It's a simple process to get started, usually taking just a few business days for funds to clear and become available for trading. Once your account is funded, navigate to the main trading interface. Use the search bar, typically found at the top, to type in the ticker symbol or company name of the asset you wish to buy. After selecting it, you'll see detailed information, including real-time charts, historical data, and relevant news. Take some time to review these details to make an informed decision about your potential investment before moving forward. With your chosen asset displayed, locate the Buy button, usually prominent on the Order Entry panel. Click it, and then select your desired order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a maximum price. Enter the quantity of shares you wish to purchase. Carefully review all the order details, including the total estimated cost, before confirming and sending your order to the market for execution. After your buy order is filled, your new position will appear in your portfolio. It's crucial to monitor its performance regularly. You can set various management orders, like a stop loss to limit potential losses or a take-profit order to secure gains at a specific price. Understanding how to track your investments and adjust your strategy is key to successful trading. Always stay informed about market movements affecting your holdings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.